Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Shirogorov F95 Custom Division White Tiger here with me for a maintenance video because you guys requested it. So here it is. Please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you happen to enjoy the content of that I'm making. So in order for this, for you to disassemble this guy, I suggest to get something like this. This is a Shirogorov pen, and it comes with a couple of bits right over here. One for the pivot and one for the handle, something like that. Or I mean, you don't have to get like a pen. You can also get, for example, like the Shiro tool, which is less expensive. And this is the one I'm gonna use, by the way. And this guy comes with 4 different bits, which is super cool, and it's suitable for the neon and for the like F95, F3, I mean full-size knives. So let's start with this guy. So for this one we're gonna need these 2 here, 1 and 2 basically. We can start by undoing the handle screw. Just be very careful with these because it's very easy to mar these screws. Okay, really cool screws going on. So that is 1, and then you just change it and you put the big one. And then in this case, this is a custom division. So this side, this pivot over here is not spinning, is keyed in, and it's like shallower. So there's no way you're gonna be able to use this bit, which goes on this side, like so. Just be careful like that and gently unscrew the pivot on this side. Very good, and it's basically done. So let's see if this wants to pop off easily. Look at that, beautiful, nicely done. We're gonna take one of these alcohol swabs right over here just to clean up the excess of let's just do like this. So guys, these are roller bearings, all right? So you're gonna need a pair of tweezers to something like this in order for you to be able to just clean this guy. And just be careful. I like to take them from the sides like this because they are like a cylindric shape. So if you grab these like from for example like this, yeah, you can pull it off, but be careful because it might not be that nice. So for these I'm just gonna rub it and just clean them like so, and then I can just put them right over here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean this bearing over here, and I'm just gonna do like so. So just like that. All right, I can put this to the side and just rotate this guy right over here in between, like right in the middle of this thing over here. So, and you can just pop them off like so. It's gonna be a while. It needs it just requires some patience. It's not that hard to do. So like this, you can just nicely clean them off. All right, and you're gonna end up with this cage, which is, by the way, just beautifully done. Would you look at this? This is a gorgeous thing. And you're gonna have these guys, which you can just like clean something like that, and they're gonna be fine. So that is one side done, and then just gently pull out the blade, because sometimes, like in this case, the bearing tends to get stuck right over here. And then just like that, we can just leave it like that. This can be here, and look at this, there's one, just very gently we can put it here and clean. And that is pretty much all you have to do. So just rub that like in this way, and then what you can do is just pop them out nicely like so, And by the way, this is a single row roller bearing, so it's not even the multi-row that you find in the full custom. This is quote unquote the only the custom division, so you can find multi-row roller bearings in the full customs, which I don't happen to have. Of course, they are super rare and expensive, one-off, only auction and or lotteries. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get one of those, but anyways, just watch out not to lose any standoff or any bearing, so just be careful. Like this guy just wanted to run away. And then you can clean on the inside. There's a nice really cool stainless steel washer going on like that, and we can also clean up right over here. So I try to run this knife dry, and I have to say I didn't like it. I didn't like the action. I much prefer the action of this guy when it's on nano oil. But that's just me. So it's faster, it's smoother. I much prefer when it's oiled. I don't know why. Usually Shiro, I don't use any oil. I'll shoot like a multi-row bearings video, but here you go. You see? Pivot is keyed in this hole right over here, which we're gonna clean up like that so it's nice and clean. Also here, nice, look at that, countersunk, looks like a pivot collar, beautiful. So now we are in business officially, right? So let's put this guy back together. I'll start from this side over here because this is keyed in, so this is gonna be only going this way like so, and then like here I'm just gonna do one by one really carefully this guy. You can even speed the video. I like just to keep it like that and just align. So see, just take the roller bearing and then just align like that, so you don't have to do this, you see. So when it's like this, I'm just gonna change it and just do another one. It has to go like that, so otherwise it's just gonna be a struggle like so, you see. It's not that bad. Here you go, that's another one and another one. So just hold them to the side and try to align the roller with the hole. See, when it goes down diagonally, just put it out, don't try to do anything, and just like this, and try to have it to fall down kind of like flush with the hole, because it's pretty precise, so there's no way you're gonna be able to wiggle it inside this hole while it's oblique, let's say. And patiently and persistently, just one by one, you're gonna be done pretty soon. So not too crazy, you just need to be precise, patient, and that's it. Also, something really cool to notice is that there's a serial number right over here, serial number on the blade and on the scale, so you know what's the deal. All right, so in this case, there are some people, they don't like the oil. I honestly do like a little bit of oil, and I'm gonna use 10 weight nano oil right over here. So just a little bit like that, here, here, and here. So just like this. And also this one helps. Yeah, that's very nice. Not too much. And now we can just do the blade in like so. Let's just move these guys out of the way. So just like that. Now, I like to do on this side because I don't want to risk to put it there and lose anything, so I'm just gonna do like that. But you guys can also do you can also use another method. It's gonna be up to you. I just found this happen, happened for me to work. Once you start going, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, you just need a set of tweezers. And by the way, now Shirogorov is doing some pretty sick tweezers. I believe it's custom division tweezer, I'm not sure, but I just saw like a pen, which is a custom division pen. So it has a tool on the inside with two bits or 3 bits. Actually, I think it's 2 bits, and there is included the bit for the handle of the Shirogorov custom division. Like for example, the Hokkaido, for example, like the 1110 KS, the Kickstop, Lee William collaboration, or the Barker collaboration. These guys are using a custom bit for the handle that you need if you want to disassemble the knife. So don't try to use pliers or anything. You're gonna ruin that screw 100%. So we are basically done, guys. So not too bad. So this one you can just like center like this, and just 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 drops of nano oil, just to keep everything together nicely, like so. We're gonna do the detent ball later, like that. We can do the pivot stop pin, pin right over here, and then we are gonna have this guy going in on this side. All right, because it is much easier. I don't need to remove the clip, by the way, because it's just not needed. And then standoff can go right over here, and then it's the moment of truth. And this guy, let's see if it goes like that, and boom, like this, done. All right, perfect. And then just get your pivot in. Just check that the bit is the right one, and then gently just screw that in. Just be gentle. You don't want to scratch anything during this process, like that. So that is good. Just change the bit, handle bit in, the handle screw is in, and that also is secured. And then we're just gonna need a little bit of this. We don't need any more. We're just gonna need just a little drop of also 10 weight nano oil on the detent ball, like, where is it? Here. Pretty good. And we should be in business with a pretty, let me see, of course no blade play. Let me see. Maybe we can have a little bit less, sorry, like this. Maybe like that, let's see. Still no blade play. Ooh, guys, look at this. The feeling, it's absolutely beautiful. Maybe we can unscrew just a little tad more. Absolutely solid. Wow. This is, oh yeah, now the oil is just going where it's supposed to go. And you can see, look at this, really smooth, guys. Beautiful job. Look at that. It is incredible. Like, roller bearings, guys, are on another level indeed. There you have it. So this is how you clean up and maintain your Shirogorov custom division running on single roller bearings. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned.